thought I'd run up a little circle purse as a freebie tutorial to go with my inner circle bag pattern. Well, maybe a half circle purse would be a better name for it, but it doesn't quite sound as catchy, does it? Take a couple of contrasting quilt cottons, cut 3 18cm or 7-inch squares, 2 in outer and 1 in lining. Add fusible fleece to one outer piece and to half of the other outer piece. Fold this one in half and quilt with any design you choose. Place larger outer and lining pieces wrong sides together and quilt these too. Cut out a 15cm or 6-inch circle in paper or head to my website to download a printable pattern piece. Place this on the larger quilted piece of outer and lining and cut out. Fold the paper template in half. Place the long straight edge on the folded edge of the smaller fabric piece and cut a half circle. Turn your full circle piece so it's lining side uppermost and place the half circle on top, lining up the curved edges at the bottom. Choose how you want your quilting to fold. Clip in place and baste around the outside, 3mm or 1/8 of an inch from the edge. Grab some binding. I'm using 20mm or 3/4 of an inch, but whatever width you have handy. Bind all the way around the full circle and finish neatly. I attach one side of the binding first, then fold it over to the back and stitch again close to the edge of the binding. Choose a matching cam snap or plastic popper. Attach one side centrally to the flap, about 2 centimetres, 3/4 of an inch up from the edge. You can push an awl through to mark the position of the snap underneath. And there it is, your ever so cute little curved purse, which makes the perfect accompaniment to the inner circle bag. If you're looking for the inner circle sewing pattern, it's available on my website. Happy sewing, everyone!